Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss about the native people lose their land. Means in this topic you are going to study about how the native people, the indigenous people of USA, North America mainly, lose their land when Europeans came there and get settled over there. In the USA, as settlement expanded, the settlement of the English people expanded when they settled over there, native people were forced to move after signing treaties selling their land. Means the land was bought from the native people forcefully. It was bought by the people from the native people, by the European people who were the new settlers over there. And this buying of the land by signing that treaty was forceful, one thing. Second thing was that in the amount given in return of the land to these native people was very less, and they had taken the more land as it was written in the treaties. So in this way, the English settlement keep on increasing, expanding in USA, North America mainly. Even high officials saw nothing wrong in depriving native from their land. Even the high officials in North America don't feel anything wrong in taking the land. They said that we are taking the land through the treaties. Treaties means a kind of an agreement done between the native people and these new settlers. And one of the example related to this you can take from the episode of Georgia. Student, Georgia is one of the state of North America. There the officials argued that in the region of Georgia, the native tribe which lived, one of the native tribe name was Cherokee tribe. So what the officials said related to the Cherokee tribe, they said that they did not give these tribe the citizenship right in North America, in the region of Georgia. They said that they are not the citizen of the country, but they are to be governed by the law made by the government. Means taking their citizenship right and governing them through their own laws. So these were the things which tell us that how these native people were how the rights from these native people were taken up by the new settlers in USA. In 1832, an important judgment announced by one of the Chief Justice of US named George Marshall. This judgment is very much important in history. What it said, he said Cherokee were distinct community, and they occupy the land which was occupied by their ancestors. So that's why in which the laws of the Georgia has not to play any role, and these people have to be governed to some extent by their own laws. So this was the judgment of George Marshall. But at that time the US president was Andrew Jackson. He denied to follow this judgment. He refused to honor the judgment of the justice, and he ordered the US Army to go and evict the Cherokee tribe from that region of Georgia. So although this man, the US President Andrew Jackson, he had the image of fighting for he has a reputation for fighting for the civil and the political right of the people. But when they come to the case of the native people, he himself became biased. And as same you have studied earlier in this chapter related to another US president whose name was Jefferson. So now after this, those who took the land, now come to the people who took up the land evicted from these native people. How they justified their taking of land. They justify it by saying that these native people do not deserve to have these land because these people are not using the land to its fuller extent. They are not utilizing it. They are the lazy people. And these people, as I told you earlier, also know the handicraft skill. But according to the new settlers people, they said that these people are not utilizing their skill. They are not producing the goods for the market. They are the lazy people. They are not utilizing the land to its fullest. That's why these people do not deserve to have the land. And therefore, we are taking their land. So after all these things, after the US Army entry into this, and US Army evict the land of the Georgia, and the new settlers get settled over there by having these kind of the argument. After all these things, the prairies were cleared for the farmland. The land was cleared, and there the farming started. And the wild bisons started killing off. And the total extermination, means the total killing of these wild bison was completed in 1890. After 1890, there was no wild bison present in the region of Georgia. One of the Frenchmen who visited during that time to the land, he wrote that primitive man will disappear with the primitive animal. Here the primitive animal refer to these wild bisons. So as these wild bison get extinct, they get killed off. In a similar way, they get disappear. In the similar way, the native people, primitive people use here for the red Indians, the native people also get disappear. What happened? In this way, the land keep on from these native people. These new settlers started taking off the land. The native people were pushed westward. They were given land elsewhere, somewhere else. Whenever there was a need for these new settlers for the land where these native people were living, then they pushed them away from that land and give them land to somewhere else. And to that area where now the land which was given to these native people to live, at that land already another native tribe was living. So when this new tribe reached over there, then obviously the conflict started happening between these tribes, because one tribe already living over there. Apart from all these things, they later on, when the thirst for the land increased for these new settlers, then what happened? These native tribes were started to be given somewhere else the area which was said to be the reserved area. And these native for these native people, the land was unknown. The new land piece of land was given to them, and they were forced to go and live over there. And whenever any natural resource, any mineral like the gold or the lead or the oil found in that land, then again they were asked to leave that land also. So in this way, there was a series of repression done by against these native people. Although they resisted it, many revolts took place. But US Army crushed all these rebellions from the year 1865 till 1890. And finally, these people gave up. These native people gave up. They were not ready to fight anymore. And in this way, the native people lose the land of their ancestors. Thank you.